Ebusia for some TV in a yamma would be a aqua baby. Best when you subscribe, modern super subscribe, or like in our share video, no, a dear my and Ebusia with a body right and some would rather tell your punosono. A more concerned MPP lawyers be an amateur letter and as a crata, tentin ma lawyer Samson Lardi. Say one run on my packing their compre with your punch. I just am better legal action against the Ebusia and yes and Ketwa. And then an opening a year. Yede sakrata etro edi amano save as one and edi amano se womra no mepa kan edi akompreku edi apaw achaw yenko na yenkotie emu ensem ne enchiremu awodo a etome akoso yeba de omu bia no yede beto aso
the way people criticize Kennedy Japan when he speaks out, and you can see that usually it is made out of malice. You see how Honorable Kennedy Japan has conducted himself.
Yeah.
Trying to avoid commentary that to bring up all these criticisms and all that. But yeah, obviously on the media landscape, this particular guy who has completed the law school has consistently made remarks against Kennedy Japan which are unprovoked. And we think that, no, as lawyers, we think what he's saying is not true, number one. And as a journalist, he's been unethical with his statement.
Okay.
And so when we met, I don't know if you have seen a copy of the statement.
Yeah. If even it is on our screen now on the TV.
I am a money.
Okay.
Said, why is he doing those things? Calling him a liar, blackmailer, threatening judges, or say Luto class in Kennedy Japan, and then what time? This is complete ignorance. Wokla, what something, wokla, what's in the Yanto man to him, wokla has stable. When your opportunities are going to radios, look, Newsfile had a standard, and he entered that standard. But the professional behavior on Newsfile is unacceptable.
Okay.
The man is not on the panel. You take his personality, make statements against him, which are factually incorrect, legally wrong. We thought that it is high time we warn him and like-minded people. So we will not tolerate any such unguided, unprofessional conduct from him.
Okay.
Sunday, and when Kennedy Japan a chief here, Ebian, and when a houseboy, and your politics are. And can the Japan for a bit more. What kind of thinking is that? If he will be a politician, he should declare he's a politician. And they will know how to weigh his statement. But as long as he pretends to be a lawyer and a journalist here, we'll guide him by the standards of the two professions. He's still responsible. And we are giving him the opportunity, ultimately, to come back and correct what he did wrong. Otherwise, you'll hear from us. Please.
Okay.
Lawyer for Ghana or come home. How many times haven't he gone to court on a contempt proceeding against Kennedy Japan? How many times? And he's trying to create the impression, he said, Ghanaian court, this is me wrong. That district court in US, I know species, overrides the Supreme Court decision in Ghana. And unfortunately, he even goes further to applaud the minority decision against the majority.
Wow.
Should that be the conduct of a lawyer?
Okay. Also, in your statement, more petition the National Media Commission, the General Legal Council, at the same time, multimedia group, opinion, some or retract it. What to one amount say?
The two one we are filed them.
Okay.
And the very soon you hear.
Okay. All right. Council, that's it for your time this morning.
Yes, madam.
All right. My man Kai Kakra na wow. Or say to all media houses and press statement by concerned MPP lawyers on the unethical and unprofessional conduct of Mr. Samson Lardi Ayinene, host of News File on Joy News. Or say, we, the undersigned concerned MPP lawyers, are compelled to speak out in defense of the integrity of the Ghanaian judiciary and in protection of the professional and personal reputation of Honorable Kennedy Ejipon against the persistent, unethical, biased, and unprofessional conduct of Mr. Samson Lardi Ayinene, host of Newsfile on Joy News and a lawyer in Ghana. Mr. Ayinene's recent commentaries on his program has, in our view, crossed the boundaries of responsible journalism and professional ethics. His statements conflate legal analysis and inflammatory rhetoric and reveal a troubling pattern of behavior that undermines confidence in Ghana's judiciary while simultaneously launching unprovoked and slanderous attack on the character of Honorable Kennedy Ejipon. Mr. Ayinene has persistently used his media platform to portray Honorable Ken Ejipon in a negative and prejudicial light. He has aired serious and often unfounded allegations against him without extending a fair opportunity for a response. This is a clear violation of the principles of fair and balanced journalism and an abuse of media responsibility. His use of phrases such as ludocratic politics and insinuations that Honorable Ken Ejipon has enriched himself through illicit means and influenced judicial outcomes through corrupt means are not only defamatory, but are also not supported by judicial findings. These claims have either been dismissed in court or lack any evidentiary foundation. Such conduct is wholly inconsistent with the ethical standards expected of journalists and more critically, a lawyer of Mr. Ayinene's standard by making up unsubstantiated accusation on a public platform without offering a right of reply. Mr. Ayinene has fallen short of the standards required by both the Ghana Journalists Association Code of Ethics and the legal profession, professional code and ethic rules. Equally, if not more troubling, is Mr. Ayinene's tendency to cast aspersions on the judiciary. His recent commentary implied that certain judges were complicit in allowing blackmail and treasonable comments to go unpunished and sought to discredit law